This video contains affiliate links, and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned, at no extra cost to you, because they're the best in the industry. Did you know that the gardening industry is worth over $100 billion and continues to grow? With more homeowners and businesses looking to keep their outdoor spaces pristine, the demand for reliable garden maintenance services is skyrocketing. Imagine tapping into this lucrative market with your own garden maintenance business. Sounds exciting, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves working outdoors, has a green thumb, or is simply looking for a profitable business idea, then this video is for you. In today's video, we're going to break down the step-by-step process of starting your very own garden maintenance business in 2025. We'll cover everything from planning to execution and share some tips on how you can stand out in this competitive industry. So stick around till the end because you don't want to miss this. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Bizee, a professional formation service company that specializes in helping you file your LLC or corporation. Bizee is an amazing company that simplifies the entire process of creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they'll file your LLC on your behalf, saving you from all the hassle. A full review of Bizee is available in the description box below, and their website is linked in the first comment. Starting a business is exciting, but let's be real. Most people struggle with knowing exactly where to start. The gardening industry is competitive, and simply having a passion for plants isn't enough. You need a clear plan, the right tools, and a marketing strategy that gets your name out there. Without these key elements, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and give up before you even begin. But don't worry, I'm here to make things simpler for you. So, how do you start a successful garden maintenance business in 2025? Let's break it down into clear steps. Creating a business plan. First things first, you need a solid plan. What kind of services will you offer? Will you focus on residential clients, or do you want to target commercial properties as well? A business plan helps you define your services, set goals, and determine pricing. Consider including a financial plan to estimate startup costs and potential earnings. Creating an LLC. Forming a limited liability company, or LLC, is a crucial step in establishing a professional and legally protected business. It also adds credibility to your brand and makes it easier to open a business bank account. Depending on your state or country, the process involves registering with the appropriate authorities, obtaining an employer identification number, or EIN, and fulfilling tax obligations. An LLC not only legitimizes your operations, but also protects your personal assets. An LLC not only legitimizes your operations, but also protects your personal assets. Bizee is one of the best LLC formation services on the market today. Be sure to check out the full review of Bizee in the description box and pinned comment below. Obtaining necessary licenses and permits. Depending on where you live, you may need specific licenses or permits to operate legally. Check with your local business authority to ensure you're compliant with all regulations. This might include registering your business, obtaining liability insurance, and following environmental guidelines, especially when using fertilizers or pesticides. Getting the right equipment. The tools you use will determine the efficiency of your work. Invest in quality lawnmowers, trimmers, pruning shears, and safety gear. Consider starting with basic but essential tools and upgrading as your business grows. Also, having a reliable transportation method is crucial. You might need a truck or van to transport equipment and materials efficiently. Building your brand and marketing strategy. Branding plays a massive role in how you attract clients. A professional logo, website, and social media presence will help you stand out. Set up a Google My Business account to appear in local searches, use social media ads to target your ideal customers, and network with local businesses. Additionally, consider offering loyalty programs or seasonal discounts to encourage repeat business. Finding and retaining customers' word of mouth is powerful, but don't rely on it alone. Use digital marketing, local advertising, and even partnerships with nurseries or landscapers to get your name out there. Offer free consultations or special discounts for first-time clients to encourage them to try your services. Once you start getting clients, focus on providing excellent customer service, follow-up reminders, and personalized maintenance plans to keep them coming back. To run a successful gardening business, there are some key features you should focus on. Quality services, from lawn care and pruning to garden design and pest control. Offering a range of high-quality services will help you attract more customers. Professionalism. Always present yourself and your team professionally. This includes maintaining a clean appearance, using branded uniforms, and being punctual. Reliability. Be consistent with your services. Regular schedules and clear communication with clients build trust and long-term relationships. Environmental practices. Many customers appreciate eco-friendly practices. Use organic products when possible and adopt sustainable gardening techniques. Customer focus. Understand the needs of your clients and offer personalized solutions. Happy customers are more likely to recommend your business to others. You don't need a ton of money to start your own business. One of the biggest misconceptions about starting a business is that you need a huge amount of capital. The truth is, you can start a garden maintenance business with minimal investment. Many entrepreneurs begin with just a few essential tools, a solid work ethic, and a passion for gardening. Here's how you can keep costs low while starting your business. Start small. Instead of buying the most expensive equipment up front, begin with basic but high-quality tools and gradually upgrade as your business grows. Leverage free marketing. Use social media platforms, local community boards, and word of mouth to get your first clients without spending on ads. Offer flexible services. Start with part-time work or weekend services while keeping another income source until your business is stable. Rent equipment. Instead of buying everything at once, consider renting or borrowing tools for large projects. The key is to start with what you have and reinvest your earnings into growing your business over time. Many successful entrepreneurs have started small and scaled up as their client base expanded. If you're serious about launching your own business, registering an LLC is non-negotiable. Bizee is an amazing company that simplifies the entire process of creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they'll file your LLC on your behalf, saving you from all the hassle. A full review of Bizee is available in the description box below, and their website is linked in the first comment. Here's the best part. When you realize that with the right tools, knowledge, and dedication, you can turn your passion for gardening into a thriving business. Many successful garden maintenance businesses started with just one person and a few tools. With hard work and smart strategies, you can grow your business into something truly profitable. So let's quickly recap what we covered. We discussed the importance of having a business plan, getting the right licenses, investing in quality equipment, building a strong brand, and marketing your services effectively. Starting a business isn't easy, but with careful planning and perseverance, you can create a garden maintenance business that not only pays the bills, but also allows you to do something you truly enjoy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more business ideas and tips. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if you're thinking about starting your own garden maintenance business. I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.